before you can get to here, you must start here. My morning meal plan for the evening meal saved so much time last night. And we had a wonderful meal, cooked and ready, with no thought other than meal planning in the morning, that is. But no worries, no pulling hair, no gnashing of teeth. But we got it done, and we had a wonderful meal because I got up and I meal planned. I found leftovers in the refrigerator, and we used some of those also. Of course, that's our pear sauce that we love to put on with our pork, but Hunter used the green beans. So we just ended up with ham and carrots, a peach sauce, pickled okras, and a sweet cucumber and onion relish. Wow, what a way to start a day.